So hello, I'm Nishant. I'm a third year student from IIR, pursuing my BTech Computer Science and Engineering.
Cool. So, how was your 2 days experience with Milky?
So these 2 days I enjoyed a lot. I learned to think about problems in a new way. I learned to look at problems from a different perspective, and I also learned many ways to solve them. So
What are the outcomes of the session?
So in these 2 days, I learned a lot of concepts about recursion, then multi-threading. Then we also learned to implement multi-threading concepts in Java. So I think that is something new we learned because those are not covered in our course curriculum.
How was the teaching experience of him teaching you?
Yeah, so we were taught a lot of real-time examples. So we were shown how multi-threading works in a real-time environment. For example, if you look at a quicksort example, so if you take a million numbers in quicksort, so using multi-threading, we were able to actually understand how multi-threading works in quicksort and how large data is actually sorted quickly.
What technology do you think you would like him to cover in the next session?
So actually, since we are in third year right now, what I would expect more is that I would want sir to cover a bit of problem solving techniques like sliding window.